Hello, in this video we will see how can we search multiple records from Datastore. So click on Datastore Manager, click on search records with a filter, select database connection, select data store, for example customer visit, add conditions here. So here I am adding customer ID equals to, I am taking an example here first, so I am writing 2. Select sort by, order can be ascending or descending. Here you can also write the limit. I am changing this to 5. Let's run and save this. Here you can see in the run history, I have a single entry for this particular customer ID, so I have received it here. Now let's change it to the actual variable value and then save this.